unboxing the new phone in the market, and I'll give you 3 reasons why you're supposed to purchase this phone. So stay connected. So here we go. Now I'm about to open this phone. I have ordered this phone from known application from Dubai. So it says, if you change your mind, do not open this phone. As you can see this, I'm showing you, like, you can QR scan for more options like this. And now I'm about to open this phone, and I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you're supposed to purchase this phone. So here we go. So I'm opening this phone, as it looks damn good from outside, and it is very budget friendly, guys. So let me open it from the both side. It's only I've opened from one side. Here we go. Like, this is it. Let's see what's in the box. They give this paperwork, and we have a charger cable and a SIM ejector tool. That's all we got in this box. So that's all. So that's all they give. Only these 2 things inside the box. It is most customizable power lock button, and there is a volume rocker. And let me on this phone now. Let us wait for a while it's opening this phone, while it's restarting. So here we go. Let's for quickly clear all the steps. Okay, let me hold it like this, then let's go. Same as it is, like same procedure for all this application. There is no complications to set up your phone. Now I'll give you 3 reasons why you're supposed to purchase this phone. Number 1 is the personality. It has amazing operating system, nothing OS 2.60. Reason number 2, removable back covers, an array of accessories. You can trust this phone because it is budget friendly, and the phone is made by a co-founder of OnePlus. In Indian market, this phone is just costing you 16,000, and if you see in Dubai, it is costing 731 dirhams only. Top 5 features I'm gonna highlight here. It has a display of 6.67 inches, and it has a 50 megapixel and 6 GB and 8 GB RAM available in this, and 5000 mAh battery. This phone weight is 197 gram. Camera, it has a 50 megapixel with the main camera, and as you can see, this you can open it and change the back cover also. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.